I have the recipe for the ultimate farmhouse double choc chip cookies. I can share it with you. Let's bake. If you only have one cookie recipe in your bag of tricks, let it be these farmhouse double choc chip cookies. In a bowl, beat together your butter and your sugars. You can use an electric hand beater if you don't have a KitchenAid or Mixmaster. Beat until combined. Next, add your eggs and vanilla and then beat again. Add in the dry ingredients, so the flour, corn flour, baking soda, and salt. Mix until a dough starts to form. Give it a good mix. Now for the star of the show, the chocolate chips. This is a double choc chip recipe, so add the chips to your heart's content. I like to use a combo of large white chocolate chunks and mini dark chocolate chips for a beautiful and delicious contrast. Fold these into the dough and now you have the ultimate farmhouse double choc chip cookie dough. Time to chill the dough, at least 30 minutes. Preheat your oven 190 degrees Celsius or 370 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, the dough has been chilling. I put mine in the freezer for maximum effect. All right, let's start scooping. So you can use a cookie scoop or you can use 2 spoons, like what I'm gonna do here, or your hands. And I'm gonna roll them pretty big. And keep going until we use up all the dough. I'm probably going to freeze some dough as well, so I don't have to make it next time I want to use them. I want to get this pretty tall as well. How many am I going to do per tray? Which is the question. All right, let's just go 2 because these are going to be huge. I have so much cookie dough in my freezer. And because of the way my oven cooks, I'm just going to do 1 tray at a time. Okay. Looking good. Okay, so super fat, chunky. Okay, now sprinkle of sea salt. This is a pro move right here. This is just gonna make these cookies pop and sing. Looks good. Now you can either add a couple of extra chocolate chips now or at the end. I think I'm gonna do it now. On to the top. And if they still need more when we come out, we can add some more. But we want them to look gooey and melty and chocolatey. Okay, perfect. Let's get them into the oven. So cook them on that high heat for about 12 minutes. Let's go. I'm gonna go 6 minutes, turn them at halfway, and then keep cooking for another 6 minutes. Time is on. Oh! There goes my spoon. Might try and glue that back later. I'll use a wooden spoon. This is some real cookie dough. This is serious business right here. Serious business. This is what you want in your freezer for emergencies. Just a big log of cookie dough ready to go. I'm waiting for that alarm to go off. It's gonna go off any second. As soon as that tray comes out, it's out with that one and in with this one. Oh, there it is. Oh my God, look at this. This is insane. That is perfect. I'm gonna come talk to you about that in a second. Let's get these into the oven. So freaking good. All right, let's add a couple more chocky chips just to get them real special looking. Chocolate chips everywhere. There's some like huge chunks of white chocolate there. So what I did was some mini dark chocolate chips and some big white chocolate chips that I kind of cut up, and they're more like rustic. So these are gonna be like really soft in the center. They're gonna be crispy around the outside. They're gonna be like that kind of like half-baked or just under-baked cookie because they're like so nice and thick. These are gonna be insane. Can't wait to eat them. Don't eat them yet. We need to let them cool. They're going to continue cooking on the tray. I know it's hard, but you gotta wait. I mean, how could you say no to a cookie like this? Seriously. Now, I'm just going to go in with a tiny, tiny bit more salt as well, just to make it look beautiful, extra beautiful. All right, now we've got to wait for the next round. Oh, yeah. Here comes the second lot. We're going to make these pop a little bit more, so add in the extra chocolate chips. These look fantastic. They look beautiful and rustic. Add in a little bit of extra salt. Okay, and those ones can cool. These ones have been cooling while these ones were baking. It's so warm and soft. Smells like sugar. Let's give this bad boy a bite, shall we? Let's crack it open, see what we're in for. Hallelujah. Oh my goodness. This looks too good to eat. Guys, this is what I'm talking about. Gooey white chocolate, dark chocolate. Oh my God. I don't know why I keep doing this to myself. I cannot even tell you how good this is. You have to make this for yourself and you have to try it at home. It's like heaven in a cookie, honestly. You definitely want those little bits of salt too. Perfection. These are honestly phenomenal. If you only have one cookie that you know how to make sure it's Farmhouse double choc chip cookies. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. I know you're gonna love this recipe. If you do make it at home, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how you went. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell because I have new videos coming out all the time. And if there are any recipes you'd like to learn how to make sure you let me know. Thanks again, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!